During the so-called Todor's week, it was believed that the demon, horsemen, or horses attacked everything in their path. Although it is a Christian holiday and a Christian saint, Saint Todor, this belief is a combination of which pre-Christian elements prevail. The horse and riders are a distant echo of the pagan demons in the Christian holiday. It was believed that Todor-Riders were covered with a white cloak, and the riders were imagined as ordinary people, except that they had tails. The total number of riders is uncertain, but in some regions there is a belief that there are 7 in total, and the most dangerous horse is the one that arrives last and is believed to be crippled. There were certain practices and beliefs during Todor's week, and that crippled horses appear on Wednesday, and on Thursday it was believed that the elder of Todorca, the great Todor, was coming. It used to be a practice for people to make masked processions on Saturdays and Sundays, whose participants painted their face with coal. It is interesting that Todorci are imagined as horses or horsemen, while the description of their action can be taken from wolves. The pack of wolves has its own column. At the beginning are the strongest wolves. In the middle are inexperienced and young wolves, while at the end are older wolves who, because of their age, can be imagined that they are crippled or lame, who have the most experience and who defend the rear of the pack. And the manner of the so-called attacks from Todorca, people describe the victims as if they were attacked by wolves or run over by horses. The cripple in Todorci can also be attributed to the old pagan deity of Dabog or Dashbog or Hromi Daba, cripple Daba, who was imagined as a wolf shepherd or a cripple wolf. Of course, similar beliefs exist all over Europe. One of the most famous is the Germanic version of the story of the Wild Hunt, whose leader is one-eyed Odin, who is also considered to be a crippled god and writer. The custom has faded over time, but during Todor's Saturday, horses are ridden and the horses are given horseshoe-shaped cake, in the hope that the horses would not hit people or run over. I hope you like this video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.